Our world is full of waste. Whether it's time, resources, or human potential, this waste costs organizations billions of dollars each year. My name is Robert Valentino. As a recognized industry expert, coach, and the founder of a successful consulting company, I am here to transform the way you see this world. Coined by James Womack and Daniel Jones in the 1980s from their in-depth study of the Toyota production system, Lean seeks to maximize customer value while minimizing waste. But more than implementing best practices, building a lean enterprise requires a paradigm shift in the way we think about and manage operations. Eliminating waste from a value stream rather than at isolated points increases the speed of delivery, improves quality, reduces cost, and enables an organization to be agile in its reaction to customer and market changes. Whether you are a leader in software development, healthcare, manufacturing, finance, or logistics, you will benefit from learning these foundational principles, including value stream mapping, creating continuous flow, establishing a level pull system, continuous improvement through the A3 methodology, and zero quality control. Each module concludes with a live project that will significantly improve your organization. Register for Building a Lean Enterprise from the David Eccles School of Business Executive Education today.